people YouTube, today we're gonna be checking out the two videos now. Two, that's right, duh. Two of them things, birds for some reason. I don't know what to expect, but I did watch the villager video from Avocado, I remember, and it was really disturbing. So I got this kind of, are birds about to be doing some crazy things? I don't know, I'm not sure. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. People, without further ado, let's get into it. Wait, what?
Met her on the way to Chicago, where she was
Whoa.
all alone.
Whoa, oh.
So as I saw her ask for a name,
Just an aura farming bird. Oh my god, it is an aura farming bird. Holy shit. Black and red, the drippiest color combo ever.
I was surprised to see
Wait, she's stunned. She's stun locked. She doesn't know what to do.
that a woman like that was
What the hell?
to me. She said she didn't have to baby, get to me. She told me she was all alone. Said I don't
That motherfucker hitting the stanky leg? Oh, it just clicked in my head. Birds for some reason. Like the mating dances and shit. It just clicked. Oh, right? Maybe. I don't even know if all birds do that. I'm not sure. Or Bird's Paradise.
never would have thought she was living like that.
He crying and shit.
Seemed so sincere. When I held her near, she would tell me
No way, bruh. Bro, I kind of fuck with that joint, bro. He was, you know what I'm saying? He was hitting that shit.
an angel sent from heaven just for me.
Wait, what? Wait, hold on, bro. He's blushing too. Hold on, you get some of this dance too, buddy. Wait, did they just leave her? Wait, they kind of just tossed her aside. Hold on, bro. I'm here with you. I'm here for you. Yo. Wait, she's actually just left her, bro. Oh my god. Yowie birds. Actually, yowie birds. More birds for some reason.
She dances in this, she said, like she dances to
Kind of a dope video, man. Extremely dope video.
his needs. She dances till he feels just right until he falls asleep. She dances at the
Wait, what? Hold on. She gonna try and get one of them. Hold on now.
cooks his
Look at them, yo, yeah. Actually, yowie birds. Yeah. She gonna start twerking and shit. Imagine. Oh shit. Oh, oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. Hey. Wait, he just fucking palmed and shit. Don't lose your man, dog. Don't lose your man. Hey. Okay, bro. Oh, fuck. What? No. Stay loyal. I just saw you guys booed up, lap pillow and all. How could you? Oh, Bacana. Oh shit. Yo, Valid. Oh my god, yo, actually Valid. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yowie. Hey, yay. That's for lie. This sequel is actually peak, though. It's actually peak. Entire soul is that just become a shooting star. Let's go through her villain origin story right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm expecting the next video, man. She didn't go through a hard enough training arc, and I think that's where she fucked up. So right now she needs to like literally lock in. She needs to super lock in right now, right? Whether he's dancing or not, just constantly rotoscoped. I hate you while they were bound by love. Hell yeah. Career in the most chaotic good way possible. Yeah. Hell yeah. I loved it. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Hopefully we get more. I was already subscribed. After the villager video.